In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a team on Figma quickly and correctly, so you can hand over admin control to another member without confusion. This is especially useful if you're changing roles, leaving a project, or simply want to make sure the right person has ownership of the team going forward. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the Figma dashboard and make sure you're on the team page for the team you want to transfer. This is where all of your team settings and members are managed. Once you're on the correct team page, look toward the top area where the team name appears. Right next to the team name, you'll see a small arrow. Click that arrow to open the Team Options menu. From the menu, choose View Members. This will take you to the full list of people who currently have access to the team. Here, you can see everyone assigned to the project, along with their current permissions and roles. Take a moment to find the member who is going to take over as the new admin. Make sure you select the correct person, since this step determines who will manage the team. Now, next to that member's current role, click the drop-down menu. You should see a list of permission options. From there, select Grant Admin Access. This will promote that member to admin status, giving them the control they need to manage the team properly. Once you've made that change, Figma will update their role immediately. At this point, the team transfer process is essentially complete. The new admin now has the access needed to manage members, settings, and other team-level controls. If needed, you can stay in the team settings and double-check that the correct person now has admin privileges. That's always a good idea before you leave or step away from the workspace. And that's how you transfer a team on Figma in just a few simple steps. No complicated process, no wasted time, and no unnecessary guesswork. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.